I'm live. I'm not dead. I'm alive. Anyhow, I just found out some information. Figured I'd pass it on to y'all as soon as I got it, because I've seen a couple other YouTube channels talking about it. This is about gold and silver legal tender states. There are 12 U.S. states that already accept gold and silver as legal tender, and more states have either tried to introduce or are reintroducing gold and silver as currency, not just legal tender, but as currency, or are in the process of doing so. The shift is rooted in Article 1, Section 10 of the United States U.S. Constitution, stating that no state shall make anything but gold and silver coin tender in payment of debts. The listing of the states are Utah, March 10th, 2011, was the first state after 80 years to accept payment as legal tender, gold and silver. Louisiana, HB 682 was passed with vast support, making Louisiana the second state to accept sales tax. What? State to exempt sales tax for gold and silver currency. It was signed by Governor Bobby Jindal. West Virginia, legislator approved Senate Bill 502 by unanimous vote. The bill suggested tax exemptions on investments in metal bullion coins and coin sales. Governor Jim Justice signed the bill in July 1st, 2019. Arizona vetoed two bills to declare legal tender status for gold and silver coins. SB 1439 was voted on in 2013, and in 2015, Governor Doug Ducey vetoed a similar bill, HB 2014. Bill reinforces the residents' ability to use precious metals and diversify from paper currency, paving the way for gold and silver as currency. Kansas, the House Committee on Taxation in Kansas passed a bill declaring both legal tender and tax-exempt status of U.S. minted coins in 2013. Oklahoma, Governor Mary Fallin signed a law, State Senate Bill 862, recognizing gold and silver U.S. minted as legal tender and exempt from taxation on July 4th, 2014. Texas, in March 2017, SB 2097 was introduced, calling for the establishing legal tender status for gold and silver, including safeguards from seizure by state authorities. That's Texas's. And they safeguards. That includes safeguards from seizure. Texas is the only one that stated that. Indiana, Senate Bill 99 was introduced in Indiana, declaring U.S. minted gold and silver coins as legal tender, tax exempt in 2013. Missouri Bill 98, which suggests income tax deductions for capital gains from exchanges of gold and silver, is up for consideration in Missouri through a similar act, though a similar act failed in 2013 and 2014. South Carolina, House of Representatives passed a bill declaring gold and silver legal tender on April 11th, 2013. And Tennessee, Bill SB 3050 calls for sales tax exemptions on gold and silver coins. And Wyoming, HB 103 was passed in 2018. This made gold and silver coins legal tender within the state. So I hope that's a little clarification on currently what states are out there that allow either exemption of taxes. In Texas is the best one, an exemption of capital gains taxes on monetary metals. On metals, U.S. coin seems to be the theme as far as that. Sovereign coins seem to be tax exempt in all the states that I just mentioned to you guys. This is not a platinum update, although platinum is also legal tender because it's in coin form. It's an American Eagle, just as the silver and the gold American Eagles. That's constitutional. Or no, yeah, well, that was an amendment to no, it wasn't an amendment. Congress passed a law in 1997 allowing the minting of the first platinum coin, an American Eagle coin, and other laws that are already in existence state that all American Eagle sovereign coins are legal tender. and that makes platinum. And I think Rhodium had their first coin in 2017. So if it's an American Eagle, also has to be accepted as legal currency, legal tender. All right, you guys have a nice day, and this was just a quick update. Talk to you later. Bye.